Hi, I'm Simon Fowler. I'm a pharmaceutical recruitment specialist. I also manage the pharmaceutical division here at Science Solutions. I've got circa 15 years in scientific and technical recruitment, 9 of which of those have been dedicated to the pharmaceutical industry. Joined Science Solutions in 2016. This has been a particularly good move for me due to their investment in progression and development. Typical roles we recruit for tend to be anything that you would associate with a GMP manufacturing facility, from quality assurance, quality control, validation, formulation development, process development, quality management, from entry level even through to director level at some points. My personal approach favours a partnered approach. I do like to get to know my clients really well, organisational structure, culture, things like that, so we can tailor that approach. If you are a pharmaceutical client and you're looking to find a new recruitment partner, or you are a pharmaceutical professional looking for your next move, please visit the website at sciencesolutionsrecruitment.com.